Okay, so Gabe wants 17 out of 10.1.
Wait.
So I have instructions that say identify f of x, and then they tell me, okay, h of x is e to the f of x is e to the sine of x. Okay. Yeah? So what'd you think?
That's so pretty.
So
Kind of symbol match, right? So the e's are the same. So those should be the same, right? Like if this whole batch and this whole batch are the same, and they've got the same base, then this part and that part ought to be the same. So they just wanted you to write f of x is sine of x. Right, bubble diagram wise, this is, h is made of two things. First you do something, f of x, right? Then you do e to the whatever to it. H is this whole business. Right? So one thought about h is that it does f first and then e first. And another thought about h is that it does sine first and then e. But if these are both the same, right? If both pairs of these are the same thing, then these two rules have to be the same.
I know this is wrong, but initially, because right as soon as you said the e's were the same, I knew what to do. But the initially, I just looked at e of f of x, and you're trying to find f of x. Is natural logging at making f of x equal natural log?
No, that's absolutely a perfect idea. So if you do e is f of x is e to the sine x, right? And you say to yourself, okay, I'm just going to natural log both sides of this thing.
Oh.
Right, you're composing an inverse function on here, which is just forget this chunk of the bubble diagram and just look at this one instead. You guys see that? So if we log both sides, we'll get f of x is sine of x. Yeah, this is kind of intimidating, right? There's a lot of kind of crazy shit going on here. But yeah, you can do these at symbol matching or bubble diagrams or solving, whatever. This would be weirder, right, if they hadn't had an e here.
Yeah.
If they had e to the f of x is 7 to the sine of x, then I'm definitely doing that. You guys see that? Like that
And then-
logging thought will get you to somewhere.
And then you'd get f of x equals 7 sine x.
You guys want to do that example? Sure. Okay, so in that case, I would literally just say, all right,
Natural log.
I got e to the f of x is 7 sine of x. We're going to log both sides. So I'm going to get f of x is the natural log of 7 sine, oops,
To the sine.
7 to the sine of x. And you could stop there, or you could use a log rule to drag the sign down, and then you could have that f of x is log of 7 times sine of x. And this is just some number, right? You guys cool with that?
How'd you?
How'd I pull the sign down?
yes.
There's a log rule that says log of a to the b is b log a. And then this
So it just
piece
doesn't matter where you put
was a number, so I wrote it out front because I'm trained to do it that way. It doesn't particularly matter that I wrote it up front, just that this piece is a number.
Makes sense.
Cool?